So you can call us crazy. These birds have taught us something in the last 10 minutes. And you say, how can you, well, think about it. How many times have you ever heard a little birdie told me something? And they did a performance for us, and it was beautiful. And this little one up here, he's not to be messed with. Oh, crap. So basically, they did a little performance for us, and we recognized some of them as constellations. They chased other birds away, and the one up front barks orders, and they form up. They do it quick.